Hi, welcome back to the channel. Engine braking is a phenomenon most drivers associate with manual transmissions, wherein closing the throttle while in gear causes the engine's internal resistance to slow the vehicle. However, the mechanics behind engine braking also play a significant role in vehicles equipped with automatic transmissions. While the process in automatics may differ subtly from that in manual systems, modern automatic transmissions incorporate sophisticated engineering to harness engine braking, thereby enhancing vehicle control and safety. At its core, engine braking occurs due to the engine's internal friction and the work required to compress air within the cylinders. When a driver releases the accelerator, the throttle plate closes, reducing the influx of air. In a manual transmission, the direct mechanical connection between the engine and the wheels means that the engine's resistance actively contributes to deceleration. In contrast, automatic transmissions employ a torque converter, which introduces a fluid coupling between the engine and the drivetrain. This fluid coupling tends to absorb some of the deceleration forces, making engine braking less pronounced initially. However, modern automatic transmissions have evolved significantly. They now integrate advanced electronic controls that simulate the aggressive downshifting typically seen in manual gearboxes to maximize engine braking effects. One key advancement in automatic transmissions is the use of adaptive shift logic. Adaptive systems monitor a vehicle's speed, engine RPM, and driver input in real time, thereby determining the most effective moment to downshift. When a rapid deceleration is required, such as during a steep descent or in emergency braking scenarios, the system can command a downshift. This downshift re-engages the mechanical connection between the engine and the wheels more directly, enhancing the braking effect even though the vehicle remains in automatic mode. This capability not only assists in controlling speed, but also helps reduce wear on the conventional friction brakes, ultimately contributing to safer driving and lower maintenance costs. The evolution of dual clutch and continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, in modern vehicles has further refined the application of engine braking. Dual clutch systems, which blend the efficiency of manual transmissions with the ease of automatics, can switch gears in fractions of a second. This rapid response allows for effective engine braking without the delay typically associated with conventional torque converters. CVTs, on the other hand, offer a unique advantage by allowing an infinite number of gear ratios. This flexibility means that the system can maintain the engine at an optimal RPM for engine braking, delivering a smooth and steady deceleration. These technological strides underscore how manufacturers are prioritizing not just fuel efficiency, but also driver control and safety. Engine braking in automatics is particularly valuable in specific driving conditions, such as long downhill descents. In such scenarios, relying solely on friction brakes can lead to overheating and premature wear. By strategically downshifting, an automatic transmission uses engine braking to reduce speed gradually, alleviating stress on the braking system. Moreover, this technique is advantageous in wet or slippery conditions. By controlling speed with engine braking, drivers can achieve a more balanced deceleration, thereby reducing the risk of skidding. Manufacturers have tuned these systems to ensure that engine braking is smoothly integrated into the overall driving experience, striking a balance between comfort and control. Critics sometimes argue that the softer feel of engine braking in automatic transmissions detracts from the driving experience compared to the more tactile response in manual vehicles. However, the trade-off comes in the form of enhanced convenience and safety. Modern automatics are designed not only to deliver efficiency and comfort, but also to intervene when necessary, providing an extra layer of safety in adverse conditions. The blend of engine braking with other deceleration methods means that drivers can rely on their vehicle to manage speed effectively, even in unexpected situations. In summary, engine braking in automatic transmissions represents a fusion of mechanical principles and electronic innovation. By adapting downshifting strategies and integrating modern transmission technologies like dual clutch systems and CVTs. Automakers had successfully translated the benefits of engine braking into the automatic realm. This development enhances both vehicle safety and performance while reducing wear on traditional braking systems. As automotive technology continues to evolve, the seamless integration of engine braking into automatic transmissions is likely to become even more refined, offering drivers a more controlled, efficient, and enjoyable driving experience. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.